In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Hootsuite from your Facebook account. We'll walk through how to remove Hootsuite's access to your Facebook step by step so you stay in control of what apps can see and do with your account. Start by opening Facebook and logging in to the same account that's connected to Hootsuite. If you manage multiple profiles or pages, double check you're signed into the correct personal account, since app permissions are tied to that. If you're unsure, look at your profile photo and name in the top right on desktop or the bottom menu on mobile to confirm you're in the right place. Next, head to Settings and Privacy. On desktop, click your profile picture or the menu icon in the top right, then choose Settings and Privacy and Open Settings. On mobile, tap the menu icon, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. These menus are where Facebook keeps your security, privacy, and app connection controls. Now, open the section that manages connected apps. Depending on your account type, you'll see either apps and websites or business integrations. Personal profiles typically show apps and websites on the left sidebar. Business or page managers may see business integrations. Either way, this is the area where Facebook lists third-party tools like Hootsuite that currently have access. In the list of connected services, find Hootsuite. Look under the Active tab first. If the list is long, use the search box to quickly locate it. If you don't see it under Active, check the Expired or Removed tabs, which can indicate it's already disconnected or the permission has lapsed. If it's not there at all, you may be logged into the wrong Facebook account. Once you've located Hootsuite, select Remove or Disconnect. On some screens, you might need to click View and Edit first to reach the Remove option. Facebook may show a prompt explaining what access Hootsuite currently has. Choose Remove to take away that access. You may also see a checkbox asking whether to delete posts, events, or other actions Hootsuite created on your behalf. Select that only if you want those items removed. Leaving it unchecked will keep your existing content while still revoking access. Confirm the removal. After this, Hootsuite will no longer have permission to manage your Facebook content, read your data, or post on your behalf. To verify, refresh the page and make sure Hootsuite no longer appears under active. If you ever need to reconnect later, you can do so from within Hootsuite and reauthorize access. That's it. You've successfully disconnected Hootsuite from your Facebook account.